man, I don't know how to do modeling and texturing and lighting. I'm so bad, my renders look sucks. What should I do?
Hey, did you say that you are paid in modeling and texturing and lighting and
Yeah,
you say that? Okay, I can help you. I'm here after a little bit of time, and I have something for you. You're gonna love it.
what are you talking about? Who are you? I don't know you. It's giving me a little bit. Uh, Still.
No, I'm astonished, and I have something for you. It's called video, a tutorial video. Mike, I said turn on the music. Yep, just go and turn on the music. Oh, yep. Thank you.
So,
What?
yeah, I'm talking. It's Astonish, and today we're gonna learn how surface modeling. In Subdivision modeling in Blender, not using any outdated software like any other plasticity. Shit.
Okay, so yeah, not anything. Just only Blender.
The Subdivision modeling and creating this nice little cooker, rice cooker sci-fi in Blender. Not only that, texturing and lighting also, and my secret tips about it. And the people also voted on the topic, what should I make next? I also mentioned these topics also in the video, so yeah. All those top underrated modifiers you should know are in this video. Many people don't know about them. Me too. Like I just recently understand them. So if I were you, I shouldn't skip the video because this is a jack of all trades video. You will learn everything in this video, and I will explain everything really nicely that you will not forget entire your life. You will even forget your name, but not this video, okay? So stick with it, and I'm gonna promise you will be happy in the end. So without wasting time, let's get started. Mike, just slow down the music.